बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 1 दिसंबर 2024 के अखबार में। इंटरनेशनल सेंटर फॉर केमिकल एंड बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेस, ASHE रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, थर्ड वर्ल्ड सेंटर for Science and Technology and Dr. Panjwani Center for Molecular Medicine and Drug Research, University of Karachi, Karachi 75270. Job opportunities: A. IT Manager 01 position on contract. Qualifications: MS/ME/BS/BE/IT/Computer Science/Computer Engineering or equivalent professional certification MCSE/MCSA along with CCNA/CCNP. The candidate must be certified in voice and data, especially in security appliance handling, i.e. firewalls, UTMs. Experience 3 to 4 years for MS/ME or 5 to 6 years for BS/BE. Experience in leading multinational or national organizations managing ICT and computer network system administration, LAN/WAN technologies and web and video conferencing, Microsoft servers, Cisco BM and CUCM and all other Cisco networks. Proficient in server management including RAID configuration, VMs, resource allocation, secure स्टोरेज। ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़: प्रिपेयर एंड अपडेट नेटवर्क्स, कॉन्फ़िगर। ये आप लोग इसका भी स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा, ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का, ठीक है जी। ये इसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं। B. Electronics Engineer 2 positions on contract. Candidate should have BE/BS degree in electronics from HEC recognized university/institution and having throughout first class educational record. Candidates should be maximum 32 age and minimum 5 year experience of maintenance of analytical instruments used in chemical/biochemical laboratories, power supplies, thermistor controls, RF amplifiers/receivers and digital electronics. C. Electrical engineer 1 position on contract. Candidate should have B/BS in electrical engineering from a recognized university and having throughout first class educational record. Candidates should be maximum 32 age and minimum 5 year experience of maintenance of generators, UPS, electrical motors and elevators. Candidate willing to work by hand without helper. D. Mechanical engineer 01 position on contract. Candidate should have BE degree in mechanical engineering from HEC recognized university/institution and registered with a PEC. Candidates should have at least 6 to 8 years experience in operation and maintenance of HVAC systems as well as operation of plants and workshops. Interested candidates should have the capability to handle BMS system. E. Instrument operator and technician 02 position on contract. Candidates should have an MPhil/MS degree in chemistry or applied chemistry or applied physics from any HEC recognized university/institution with some hands-on experience in operating advanced analytical instrumentation. Selected candidate will be assigned the responsibility to operate and maintain different analytical instruments including optical, tensiometer, GPS/SEC, electrochemical workstation, electro spinning machine, DSC/TGA, BET, surface analyzer, SEM, etc. F accountant, 2 positions on contract. ये आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें, ठीक है। अकाउंटेंट की जॉब है, कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएट विद आर्टिकलशिप कंप्लीटेड /BCom/MBA, फाइनेंस with 16 years education from. Applications along with attested copy of CNIC testimonials and copy of this advertisement must reach to the director, ICCBS, University of Karachi, Karachi 75270 within 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. Name of the post must clearly be mentioned on the envelope. Director, ICCBS. Government of Pakistan, Ministry of National Food Security and Research, situation vacant. Pakistan Agricultural Research Council, PARC, is looking for dynamic and eminent agriculture scientist/research managers having proven leadership in strategic planning, implementation and management of agricultural research, with capabilities in formulation of research policies and coordinated programs for the following vacant position of whole-time members, MP2, in the disciplines mentioned against each. Seat, name of post number 1, member crop sciences, name of number of post 1. अच्छा, दूसरी पोजीशन है मेंबर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 1. नंबर 3 मेंबर एनिमल साइंसेज 01. नंबर 4 मेंबर सोशल साइंसेज 01. एकेडमिक qualification and experience, PhD in relevant field of crop sciences/natural resources/animal sciences/social sciences respectively from HEC recognized university of international repute. Number 2, at least 22 years proven experience in R&D organizations / recognized institutions of research / higher learning, public / private sector, including experience in managing a multidisciplinary group of scientists and researchers. Number 3, 15 years post PhD teaching or research experience in HEC recognized institutions. Number 4, minimum 15 research publications in HEC recognized referred journal/books, refereed journal/books. Other conditions and requirements. Number 1, the appointment of members will be made on tenure basis for a period of 3 years in accordance with PARC Ordinance 1981 and Rules 1984. Number 2, demonstrated leadership in strategic planning, implementation and management of multidisciplinary agricultural research programs. Number 3, demonstrated abilities to mobilize and utilize financial and human resources effectively, having strong communication, negotiation and interpersonal skills. Candidates must have first division or CGPA 3 or more in the highest degree with not more than 1 second division or grade C in the academic career. Function/job description are available on PARC website www.parc.gov.pk. Age limit 62 years as per Management Position Scales Policy 2020 as amended from time to time, and in case a civil servant/government is selected through competitive process against any such post, he/she shall either resign from government service or seek early retirement, severing his/her connection/lien with the parent, cadre/ministry/division/organization etc. before joining the MP scale position. Nationality Pakistani. Interested candidates who qualifying the advertised eligibility criteria and possessing requisite expertise may apply online through National Job Portal within 15 days from the date of advertisement. Application form duly filled and signed by the applicant along with updated CV clearly mentioning field of specialization, list of publications with first page of research papers and attested copies of academic credential may be sent to the given address. Incomplete/late submission of applications will not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates fulfilling the eligibility criteria will be called for interview. No TA/TA will be admissible for interview. PARC is an equal opportunity employer and female candidates are encouraged to apply. PIDC Deputy Secretary Admin M/O National Food Security and Research Islamabad. Strategic Leadership Required Human Resource Manager. A distinguished organization is looking for outstanding individuals to fill a prominent senior leadership position to create the organization's future and propel its performance toward lofty goals. ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. की responsibilities भी देख लीजिएगा. Create and put into practice innovative HR solutions that both promote employee satisfaction. Essential requirements: candidate should possess a minimum of 20 years of experience including significant exposure to large scale commercial operations, especially in oil refining sector. Additionally, a proven track record of 5 to 7 years in a senior leadership position is essential. Skilled in crafting and implementing HR strategies, fostering employee engagement and driving organizational growth. Well versed in employment regulations, HR data analysis and the creation of effective policies. Experienced in spearheading HR programs within dynamic and rapidly evolving industries. Preference will be given to the seasoned personnel having vast experience of reputed organizations. Qualification: professionals certifications such as SHRM, SCP, CIPD, HR, BP, SP, HR or equivalent preferred along with bachelor/master degree from an institute of repute. Interested candidates should email their comprehensive CVs, latest photograph and cover letters to email managerhrjob2024@gmail.com no later than December 11, 2024. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for interview. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है. वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट. चीफ फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर CFO. A leading technical and engineering company in Islamabad/Rawalpindi vicinity is looking for a competent, talented and result-oriented individual for the position of Chief Financial Officer CFO on contract basis for a period of 2 years which is extendable on requirement basis. Eligibility criteria: CA Inter/ACCA/CMA Masters IE 16 years degree in accounts/finance from reputed foreign or HEC recognized university. Minimum experience of 10 years in relevant field in corporate, national/ International is required. Candidates must have experience of at least 5 years as independent in charge of finance department slash section with experience in managing various financial portfolios. As a team leader, candidates must possess knowledge of developing and implementing financial strategies to achieve companies' financial objectives, overseeing financial planning and analysis, including budgeting, forecasting, and cash management, ensuring compliance with accounting standards and regulations, building and maintaining relationship with investors and lenders, developer and implementing financial risk management strategies. Terms and conditions. Upper age limit for candidates is 45 years. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted and called for interview. Attractive package with fringe benefits will be offered to the selected candidates. How to apply? All interested qualified candidates should email at hr@dintecheng.com not later than December 10, 2024. Kindly attach detailed CV, PDF or MS Word format and recent colored photograph along with ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।